What does a co-ownership agreement template look like? Have you ever wondered what a co-ownership agreement template looks like, especially when it comes to property division during divorce or separation? This document is essential for anyone who shares ownership of a property. It clearly outlines the rights and responsibilities of each party involved. Let's break down the key components you can expect to find in such a template. First, the agreement starts by identifying all co-owners. Each person's full name and their share in the property are clearly stated. This ensures everyone knows their stake in the property from the beginning. Next, a detailed description of the property is included. This section provides the address and any legal identifiers necessary to clarify exactly what is being co-owned. Ownership interests are then specified. This part explains the percentage or type of ownership each party holds. It could be equal shares or unequal shares based on how much each person contributed to the purchase. Financial responsibilities are also a crucial part of the agreement. This section outlines who is responsible for mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, utilities, maintenance, and repairs. It is important to clarify these obligations to avoid confusion later on. The agreement also defines use and occupancy. This means it specifies how the property will be used and who has the right to live in or use it. This is especially relevant if the co-owners are separating. Decision-making and management are addressed next. This part outlines how decisions about the property will be made, including renovations or selling the property. It may specify voting rights or requiring unanimous consent for major decisions. Handling separation or sale is a critical section. It explains what happens if the co-owners separate or divorce. It includes details on buyouts, how initial investments are returned, and procedures for selling the property. It also sets timeframes for resolving disputes. The transfer of interest is another important aspect. This sets rules about whether a co-owner can sell or transfer their interest to someone else without the other owner's consent. In the unfortunate event of a co-owner's death or incapacity, the agreement specifies what happens to their interest. This could involve rights of survivorship or inheritance rules. Dispute resolution methods are provided to help resolve disagreements without lengthy court battles. This could include mediation or arbitration options. Finally, the agreement concludes with the signatures of all parties and the date, validating the contract. Having a co-ownership agreement template is a smart move for anyone sharing property, especially during divorce or separation. It helps prevent conflicts and ensures clarity on financial responsibilities and property rights. This document serves as a safeguard, making the process of property division smoother and less complicated.